I'm Anil Kumar, and here is another video on polynomial division. This is the result of an excellent question from my subscriber, Michael. Michael, thanks for your question. I really didn't have straight answer, and so I thought, let me just work on it. It's just learning experience. Just as you learn from my videos, you don't know how much do I learn from the same. The question here now is x cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 2. While we do this division, I will try to explain, and I hope you will get the concept of how do we place the placeholders. Okay, so let's divide x cubed minus 8 by x minus 2. We can clearly see that some terms in the middle are missing between x cubed and 8, and their powers should be x squared and x, right? So what I will do here is that we'll start division statement, and first let me place the number divisor x minus 2 outside, and we are going to divide x cubed minus 8. As I was saying, we need some placeholders. So x cubed is there, x square term is missing, so I'm putting 0 with x square. Even the x term is missing, so I'm placing 0 with x. Now we do have a constant which is minus 8, so let me place minus 8. So in this particular example, it's rather simple to put the placeholders. We just placed 0 and x squared and x. The question actually started from why the placeholders were different when we have question like x cubed minus y cubed divided by x minus y, right? So that is the real question, and what should be the placeholders for that kind of a question, right? This is what we need to answer. What we are doing here is we are starting with a simpler question, right? So the question for us now is x cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 8. Since the terms for x squared and x were missing, we just placed 0 with them and started dividing. So let's quickly divide. We need x cubed from x, so we'll multiply by, of course, x squared. So we get x cubed minus 2 times x squared, and when we take away minus 2x squared, we get plus 2x squared. Bring down the next term, the placeholder 0x. Now we need to multiply by plus 2x. So that gives us 2x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4. So we get 4x. Now again, when you take away minus 4x, you get 4x. And here we have minus 8. Now we need to multiply by 4, right? So plus 4, and that gives you 4x minus 8, 0 remainder. And now we can write down that x cubed minus 8 when divided by x minus 2 is indeed equal to, let me write down here, is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4, correct? So in another way, we can write it in factored form also. That is to say that x cubed minus 8 can be written as, since this is divide, it goes to the other side as a product, correct? So we rearrange this equation. X minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4, right? So we get that kind of a result. Now, the difference between easier question which I have taken here and a complex question there is that instead of constant 2 or 8, we have y or y cubed. Now in this case, what kind of placeholder should we have? Now since we are dividing by x minus y, every time we will get a term y. Do you see that? Not just the constant which we got here, 2, 4, 6, 8. And therefore, it was kind of important to introduce placeholders with exponents of y, where the degree of y increased from 0, 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? Again, have a good look at the real question, x cube minus y cube divided by x minus y, and see if you understand why we use the placeholders as 0x square y and 0xy square. It might make some sense now. Thank you and all the best.